Alright, hello. This guide and demonstration will show how to solve the circle pillars puzzle in housekeeping. This puzzle wants to be solved with ones. So the idea here is to get all of these tiles to have one showing. Some of them already do. This is the standard setup, but I'll show you how to solve it regardless of how it's messed up or anything to that nature. So we need to get each one of these uh, to say one. The way it works is whenever you step on a tile, it sucks it sucks one from everything around it, like so. That by stepping in between all the threes, uh, or in between all the three ones, it then becomes a three, and so on and so forth. So I step here, and it's going to suck one from each side and become a two. So the way this puzzle works, to get it all one, we need to get the tile that I'm standing on, which is next to the one just outside of the circle, and that one to be 0. Uh, that's to start. We then need the ones on either side of it to be 2, so that you can step on here. That would then become a 2, and then the last one on the outside of the circle becomes the 1. That's kind of where we're going. So it doesn't really matter which way you go, but we're going to start from here. And we need to get, I'm going to go to the right, just because I'm going to go to the right. And we want to zero out the tile that I'm standing on next to the one outside of the circle. And we want this one. So we're just going to start by zeroing that out. It's just kind of the place to start. Now, whichever direction you're going, that one needs to be a 2 when we're done. So we're just going to really just go in a circle and set this up. And jump on the next one a couple times, and that's a 2. Now, the rest of them I want to be a 1 all the way until I get back around to the other side of the circle. So I'm just going to keep jumping on tiles here. I said this method will work regardless of how the puzzle is set up. So if you accidentally start it in some direction, pretty easy to solve using this method as well. We're just going to keep working around. You can see I'm just jumping on the one around the direction that I'm going until it says 1 in the previous one. It doesn't really matter what the one next to me is. I'm just getting the 1 behind me. All right, so now this is the position you want to get to solve. So you've got the tile that's outside of the circle. The one next to it is blank, and then on either side of it is 2, and everything else is 1. Pretty simple from here. Step on the one in between, it becomes a 2. Step on the last one, it becomes a 1. There you go. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy solve. Thanks for watching.